Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you guys today. This time, another unboxing, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so this was a little bit of an unexpected purchase, but my SA was finally able to get one for me, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So I haven't really been buying anything lately, just because I haven't really been interested in the stuff that has been coming out. And I'll just tell you guys right now, this is from Louis, and I asked my SA about this a very long time ago, and he had ordered me one in several colors, and this finally came in. So sorry about the paper noises, but let me go ahead and take this out. So here is the box. Nothing else in there. But let's go ahead and unbox it together. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so here is the item, and here is my receipt. Alright, so I'll just put this down here. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So this is not your normal everyday piece that you see here on YouTube or Instagram. What I got was a strap. So this is really cool. So here is, I think this came on the Monogram Splits keep all with the, I think this, what do you call it? This monogram is the Pacific Blue, and this is of course a regular monogram. And yeah, I think there was a split version of the keep all that had this strap, and I asked my SA if he could order it for me, and he said he'll do his best to do it. I also asked him to order the other variations of this strap. One of them was in the what was it again? The reflective or the silver monogram, but that might be a little bit harder to get because it's more limited, I presume. And this one. Alright, so let me show you guys what I had intended to use it with. Alright, so I have, now let me show you guys this cool idea that I've been toying with. So here is a Toiletry Pouch 26, you guys can see, and I have straps on it, you guys can see. And how I did that, you might ask. Let me show you guys. So let me just unzip it and show you guys the inside. So there is a bag organizer in there, and let me take it out so you guys can see it. I have to take off the strap first. Oh, and this one I could just take out. Alright, so everybody is hopefully familiar with this item, which is the Toiletry Pouch 26. Originally it has nothing, you know, in there, no pockets or anything. And a lot of people have tried to put straps on here, and for the most part it really doesn't work, I don't think, because you could put a strap coming out of this hole, but then you have to attach the other strap side to the zipper, which, you know, puts wear and tear on the zipper, and it's not really good for this item itself. But I came across this item right here. And this is a organizer for, and it wasn't even made for this bag. And I actually got this idea from Facebook. I forget who I got it from, but I thought it was a really good idea and I decided to try it myself. And so I got the items, and this actually comes in a 2-pack. So here is the other one. This one does not have a zipper. This one does, and I decided to that I prefer the one with a zipper because you could zip it up and you could have more room. As you can see, it only goes up to there, and so if you zip this thing up, you'll be able to put in more stuff at the top here. And what I did, and this is the ingenious thing that somebody has figured out. Oh, let me share with you guys so I got this on Amazon, and so I did not have to wait forever to get it because I have Amazon Prime. Alright, so this is from LUXURY. Anyways, this is the, if it'll focus at all. I know this camera's not very good at that. But I'll also leave all the information down below. And this is actually the organizer for the Neo Noe from Louis Vuitton. And that's why there are 2 separate ones in here, because you're able to use both of them in that Neo Noe. But what else I needed to purchase was this bag. I mean, you don't need to purchase the entire bag, but they also sell them in, you know, smaller quantities. But these are basically D-rings. And let me take these out just so you guys can see. And I'll take out the biggest one because there's a variety of different sizes in here. Let me just show you guys. So that is a D-ring. And I believe this is the biggest size, which is, let me go on my computer real quick. I think this is a 5/4 inch, or maybe the 1 inch. There's different sizes and they all come in the same package. So the different rings are 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 5/4 inch. I actually think this is the biggest one, so I think this is 5/4 inch, which is 1 inch and a quarter. Alright. And this bag was only $9 and no, this whole bag. Uh-oh. Just dropping everything here. So everything in these bags only cost $9.59. Whereas the smaller quantities where they were selling them for just a few, maybe, you know, 4 of them, like were $6 or something. I'm like, might as well get this entire thing, and if I have any future needs for them, I'll already have them. But anyway, so I got that. And so these two, I forgot to mention the price, was $24.99 for the both of them. So this is just a 2-pack, and for that price you get 2. And I know, I think with Smorga, they do have one that's similar, and I believe it's the same price for just the one. And this one you get 2, and you get it a lot faster. And so I decided to go with Amazon instead of that company. Anyway, so what I did was I took some of those, a couple of those D-rings, and I basically stitched them on the inside. You guys can see. And so whenever, and the nice thing about these is that they are almost a perfect fit for the Toiletry Pouch 26. And let me just show you guys using my new strap how it would look. Alright, so here is the clip, the D-ring. All you have to do is put it together. Alright. And there you go. And so this strap is reversible, so I could use it on the monogram side or the blue. But check that out. So all I need to do now is put this inside of here. Let me just show you guys that real quick so I could show you guys the combination of the strap and the toiletry pouch. And this side, which has the zipper pull or whatever that is, you have to actually put the strap behind it and then put it on the D-ring in order to be able to zip this thing up. Alright, and there you go. And you don't damage the toiletry pouch at all, and you have a new use for this item. And I have had this item up for sale for a while, but I haven't gotten, you know, anybody willing to pay what I was asking for, and so I figured I'll just, you know, figure out a way to be able to use it. And I did. So the only issue with this toiletry pouch when using it as a clutch is that it does not have a strap, and now it does. What do you guys think? But yeah, this is a pretty easy, very inexpensive way to give new life for, you know, the toiletry pouch or the what are they called, the pochetteurs, because yeah, those don't have straps, and that's a way to use it. And also this strap here, the one that I was using with it before, is from the Pochette Métis, in reverse of course. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you have any comments or, you know, suggestions or anything, please leave them down below. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.